how to close your AdSense account in 2 minutes. Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to close your AdSense account step by step in less than 2 minutes. So you head out to your browser, log into your AdSense account through your browser, then you click on this three icon here. Then you click on you scroll down, you click on settings. So here is it, settings. Then you click on account information. Then you scroll down, scroll down. So here it is, it shows close account. Then you tap on it, close account. So after clicking on close account, Google may ask you why you want to close the account. You can choose any option that best fits your reasons. Then click on confirm, and that is it. So all you have to do is to scroll down, you take the closing button, say close, click on this icon, then you click on close account. Boom, and that it is, your account has successfully been scheduled for closure. So quick tips: if your YouTube video is still connected to that your AdSense account, disconnect it first so you do not run into monetization problem later. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell for more videos, YouTube tips and tutorials like this. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out. See you in the next one. Bye.
So guys, for those of you struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours, for those struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours, I have a trick on how to get your 4,000 watch hours. So all you have to do is to click the link down below, the WhatsApp button down below, DM me and tell me you want to get your 1,000 watch hours, and I will show you, tell you the requirements. Mind you guys, it's not free. Just DM me and we go through the process and you get to understand each other. So 4,000 watch hours within 1 to 7 days to 21 days. Mind you guys, hours. So this video you can just DM me and you get to watch out within 1 to 7 days or 21 days. So see you in my next video. Peace out.